Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on live translation now, not later. Go to Settings, confirm iOS 26 is installed, then download the languages you need. This reduces lag. Once done, enable microphone and location access so translations capture audio and local dialects accurately. Add the live translation tile to Control Center for one-tap access. You're doing this first to avoid interruptions while translating. It prepares the system and gives you immediate access from any app. You now initiate a session, tap the live translation tile or open the Translate app. Select source and target languages. Use auto-detect when the speaker's language is unknown because it speeds routing to the right model. Position the device between speakers, then tap live. The waveform confirms active listening. Make sure noise reduction is on and lower sensitivity in crowded places because that improves accuracy. If you want, lock orientation for consistent captions across apps. This prevents you finish by verifying the transcript and switching to manual input when needed. This fixes names and acronyms quickly. If audio stalls, stop live translate and restart it or reboot the phone. This clears temporary model caches. Make sure permissions remain granted and re-download the language pack if translations are inaccurate. If problems continue, update to the latest iOS 26 build. That often resolves engine bugs. One last tip: test in a short 30-second clip before long conversations so you catch issues early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.